Welcome to our Hydrogen Knowledge Centre video guide. The Centre is a digital repository of hydrogen research and resources, created to support learning, research and development, and to promote information sharing across different applications and sectors. On our homepage, you will find a signpost of recently published hydrogen materials and a listing of the most read articles and papers. You can also explore the site through its Browse by Subject facility, where materials have been categorised by hydrogen topic area. The platform allows you to share links through a range of tools, such as email and social media applications. You will also find useful information, such as how to gain full access to the centre and signposts to the latest hydrogen news. Browsing content or searching for specific information couldn't be simpler. Its dynamically driven search bar makes suggestions as you search for keywords, publications, or authors. This is your search results page, where your search term will be highlighted. You'll also be able to reorder your search results by newest, oldest, or by relevance. You also have the option of using the Modify Your Search button to help you find specific records. The platform has a range of multi-select filters to help you refine your search, such as publication source, author, subject, keyword, publication type, date, and country. From your search results, you can preview each record by selecting the More button beneath each title. Entering the record will show you the full abstract and other important information such as author details, publication date, and type. Selecting the file icon will open the associated document, where you'll be able to read, download, or print. The record will also show you whether it has relevant supplementary materials, such as videos, datasets, or presentations. From each record, you can easily navigate to other related materials by selecting any of the highlighted keywords or related subjects. On the right-hand side of each record, you'll find other recommended content based on your current record. The Knowledge Centre provides alternative routes to finding content through its full publications listing and its Browse by Subject area. You can find out more information about IGEM and the Hydrogen Knowledge Centre in our About Us section, alongside details of how we're governed, how you can access the centre, and answers to some frequently asked questions. In the site menu, you will find additional information and documents, such as our collection development policy, our terms of use, and how to recommend content. Thank you for watching this video guide. If you have any questions about the Hydrogen Knowledge Centre, please visit our Contact Us page.